Wholeness and balance vibrations, guys. Today is day 14 of the 21 days choosing fast, choose cleanse. Um, yes, guys, I hope everybody is doing well. For those of you who are starting, because I know some people are starting with this journey, I hope you guys are ready because yeah, you're in for a treat, of course. Um, yeah. So today was really interesting actually because yes, I just decided to switch things a little bit. Um, I had I juiced apples, um, grapefruits, and mandarins, as you guys can see in the picture. Um, yeah, and I decided not to mix everything just because they were just so good, all of them separately. So, yeah, I just decided to keep everything separate. As a matter of fact, um, let me show you guys if you can see. Yeah, I just decided to keep everything separate as you can see. So at any time I can just um, rolling back and yeah, still do the actual mixing. Um, so in terms of activities, what I did today was yeah, I just had to roll over to a client and do some modifications and yeah, for the rest, just some paperwork, just keeping things cool. um, I did some dancing, by the way, yeah, I need to dance more because I love dancing. For those of you who know me, because dancing keeps the motion, and it also makes me feel very good. Um, so I need to do that more, having all this journey and teaching people and learning stuff getting getting a little bit in the way of the actual passion. For me, dancing, I really love dancing. Actually, in terms of how I feel, yeah, today was quite good actually. Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, no complications. Something that happened today, which was actually very funny. I went to this grocery store of a former classmate of mine. He owns a grocery shop, and it was really surprising that he couldn't recognize me. It was like, wow, Victor, like I can't recognize you. Like you really lose weight, and I really honestly did not recognize you. I'm like, okay, very interesting. So it's for me, it's just like showing like, okay, probably like the old me is like dying away, that people can't recognize me, which is interesting. It's an interesting observation. Um, yeah, so yeah, guys, for those of you who are just starting, I'm very yeah, open. Like, if you have any questions on how I'm doing things, you can always um, take my daily videos as a step by step, like just to have like a guideline, And for the rest, if you have any questions, you can just like, yeah, reach out. I hope that this vlog at least is serving a purpose of, yeah, let me say, uh, motivation for people, like just to try something new, to let me say, work on your health, and just know that once in a while you need to clean your system, so that you can like elevate to higher states of consciousness. So this is one way of doing it. It's not the only way, it's one way of doing it. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna hold this video very short because I have some other things to do. And before I close up, there's just one thing I want to say. What I'm finding like very difficult in all this journey is actually um, doing all the video editing stuff and putting it online and posting. Like that takes like forever, and yeah, it's very, very challenging. Also another interesting observation. So guys, with that being said, I'm gonna close up right now. Take care, sleep well, have a nice life, have a nice time, and I will see you on the next one. If there is legit, I'm signing out. Choose cleanse, choose fast. See you on the next one.